Here's a look at this day in history. December 1st.
In 1955, Rosa Parks refused to give up her seat in a bus to a white man in Montgomery, Alabama, sparking the Montgomery bus boycott. On this day in 1959, a treaty making Antarctica an international science preserve, free from military activity, was signed. This day in 1997, the Kyoto Convention on Global Warming first met. It would pass the Kyoto Accords to control greenhouse gases. And on this day in 1990, French and British tunnel workers drilled through the last few feet of rock that separated their countries. It was the beginning of the Tunnel, an underground passage that spans the English Channel, the first ground link between Great Britain and continental Europe since the Ice Age. And that's this day in history.
Good morning, Dundalk Middle School. This is Dimitri.
I'm Riley.
Bringing your morning announcements.
On WDMS News.
Today's Tuesday, December 1st, 2015, A-Day.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance and the DMS Pledge.
Pledge allegiance
To the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. I am safe, I am respectful, and I am responsible at Dundalk Middle School and in my community.
Please be seated.
How's your day been going?
It's been okay. How about yours?
It's pretty good. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Today's math problem is, each quarter of school lasts about 45 school days. This week is the end of week 5 for the second quarter. How many school days do we have left in the second quarter and quarter 2? Remember, though, week 4 only had 3 school days. Be sure to let your math teacher know if you can solve it.
Now here's Rachel with today's weather.
It was 44 degrees this morning. We can expect some periods of rain today and we should reach a high of 50 degrees. Here's the weather for the remainder of the week. Now for the sports report. The Ravens won last night in the last 3 seconds of the game. The Browns were kicking the game-winning field goal when the Ravens intercepted the ball and Will Hill ran it up the entire length of the field to give the Ravens a game-winning touchdown. Believe it or not, the Ravens are only 2 games out of the wild card spot. Now back to you, Riley and Demetrius.
Thank you, Rachel. Now for the word of the day.
The topic for this week's Words of the Day is disagreement. Today our word is contradict. The judge knew the witness must be lying when he contradicted himself during his testimony. Can you determine what contradict means? Once again, today's word of the day is contradict.
We'll be right back after this commercial.
Chamber Choir will be meeting after school today.
There will be a play rehearsal this Wednesday after school. The only actors that need to stay for this rehearsal are the Darling children, Peter Pan, and Mrs. Darling. Good morning, Dundalk Middle School. This is Riley with a few words of wisdom. At some point in our lives, most of us will ask the question, what's life all about? Why am I here? Probably the most accepted answers to that question will be this. We are here to contribute to the world in some positive way, to make the world a little better. That's why every life is important. Every human being holds the possibility for doing something wonderful in the world. Charles Allen says it this way. Remember that you are needed. There is at least one important work that needs to be done that won't be done unless you do it. Today, keep in mind that we need you. The world needs the absolutely unique and unrepeatable contribution that only you can make. With something to think about, this is Riley. Make it a great day or not, the choice is yours. Now here's Mr. Barish.
Morning, Team DMS. Yesterday, all students in homeroom received their December newsletter. Students, please make sure if you haven't done so already, make sure those newsletters are read by you, read and reviewed by your parents, and also that you look at important upcoming dates and calendar events for the month of December. We have a lot going on in December. Today, our department chair team will be meeting Mod 10, and at 3 o'clock, our PTSA team will be meeting in the conference room. Students, please encourage your parents to come out to the PTSA meeting. This Friday, students, all of you will be receiving your second quarter interims. It's a great opportunity for you to look to see what you're doing, review your progress, and also set goals for the remainder of the quarter. Students, you do not have to wait until Friday to know exactly how you're doing. Log on to BCPS 1 this week, and you should exactly know your progress. Also, yesterday we had a great honor roll breakfast to recognize our outstanding 6th grade students. Today I'm looking forward to recognizing our 7th and 8th grade honor roll students, and also would like to welcome all of our parents, grandparents, guardians, family and friends who are coming out for our honor roll breakfast to support our wonderful students. Students, if you did not make honor roll for the first quarter, do not get discouraged. You just need to work a little bit harder. All of you have potential. 100% of you have potential to earn honor roll. 33% of you did. And I'm hoping, again, 100%, I would like 100% of students to earn honor roll, but again, if we go from 33 to 50%, I think we would have done a great job between the first and second quarter. So again, I challenge each of you to earn honor roll. Students, take advantage of those AL days to make up missing work and assignments. As I reviewed BCPS 1 last night, 90% of the students at Dundalk Middle School are missing at least one assignment. That's a lot, 90%. We should have students who have no missing outstanding assignments. So students, again, please make sure you're reviewing your progress and putting forth efforts so you too can be an honor roll student. It starts with students coming to school every day and bringing that A game, coming into school with demonstrating excellent attendance. Today's hallways were pretty quiet and sparse, meaning I didn't see a lot of students in the hallway, so I'm hoping that we still have great attendance today, but I'm not overly optimistic till I see my data. Also, coming to school with a positive attitude, and students coming to school and being able and willing to apply yourself. As part of Team DMS, we'll do whatever it takes to educate and inspire you to become a globally competitive graduate. What's going to separate you one day from getting your career and the dream job that you want? It starts from what you do today, which in fact will impact who you are tomorrow and what you do tomorrow. Hard work is a great characteristic to have, perseverance, dedication, and remember, students, this, the only bad attitude, the only disability in life is a bad attitude. So have a positive and great attitude, and I promise you, you will be successful. You have teachers and staff members, and you're part of Team DMS, and we want to see you be successful. Thank you. Let's have a wonderful day.
This is Demetrius.
I'm Riley.
Have a terrific Tuesday.